10 to 9. Do you know where your Sam is?
That'll work. Right where I wanted it.
I have to figure out how to effectively bend this.
Never a dull moment here. Let's make some memories. So it's Sunday morning, 8 o'clock. I'm here on another weekend for a little bit, working on the Champ. I'm supposed to have some help today, and he's not here. Where is Sam? Marking where the edge is so I can measure it and bend it accordingly. That's where the edge is. Now we have to measure that so I can bend this where probably farther out this way.
It's 10 to 9. Do you know where your Sam is? Nothing better. I have to figure out how to effectively bend this straight somewhat.
We don't have a bender here, so we get to do this old school. Watch me epically fail on camera. That'll work. Awesome. Right where I wanted it. I'm gonna drill some holes in the front here so when I get it on there I can screw it in. And I'm gonna sand it so whatever material I put on top of it will hook to it. I have a piece of wood that's gonna get gel coated and then laid on top, and then it'll be matted on top of that. So I'm gonna drill holes through the transom after I put the plate on. And then I'm going to actually put a screw in there, and I'm going to screw through the aluminum into the wood for added strength, and then we will fill these holes in when we're done. So I'm working on the boat, sanding or whatever, I don't remember what I was doing, and Jordan, our producer, said he's seen somebody walking down the bank by our vehicles. So I walk out there, and lo and behold, I find somebody squatting, and he was taking a shit. What you doing?
Taking a shit.
Somebody taking a shit. Never a dull moment here. See what you missed, Sam? now 9:30. Do you know where your Sam is? What do you suppose Sam's doing right now?
What do you think Sam's doing?
Sleeping. Sleeping hard, evidently. Where is Sam? So I gotta make a little bit of a mess. I'm gonna have to grind some of this fiberglass. And what we're gonna do next is I'm gonna lay 2 or 3 pieces of matting on here. And then while it's still wet, I'm gonna put the board on top. And then we'll let that cure. Then after that, we'll grind more of this away. We'll lay matting on the top of it too and turn it back into fiberglass.
While you're doing that, what's Sam gonna do?
Sam, it is now 10:05. Do you know where your Sam is? So I am going to cut a couple pieces of this so we can gel coat it on here. It'll work. It'll be good. You're gonna love it.
What are you doing now?
I'm gonna mix some more of this magic sauce. Some more gel coat. I have to look every time. Where am I looking? How cold is it? Yeah, it's gonna have to be 18 drops. So we'll use up this little bit here. Need something to mix this with. I'll use Andy's screwdriver. We'll put more in if it doesn't change color. I suppose I could be nice and wipe it off, or should I let it just stick on there? I guess I'll be nice. I'll wipe it off. Let's make some memories. So today I took that metal piece that I'm putting in the back of the boat, had to re-bend the edge because I added the board back there to make the transom stronger. And so we got that bent, we got that installed with some screws, drilled some holes through the transom so I could screw into the actual transom through the aluminum. And then we put some fiberglass matting on top of all of that stuff. And now there is a board that is screwed and glued onto it, tied it all together.
Where are your gloves at?
They're on the table. You should have put gloves on. Sticky fingers. I'm putting the gel coat on the matting that's on the aluminum and on the fiberglass. I'm going to put another sheet on there, and then I'm going to put the wood on top of it. Sam, can you hand me the tape measure? Thanks, Sam. Sam was supposed to be here at 8 o'clock. He's not here. You ready?
Yep.
So what I'll do now is I'll put a little bit in the inside corners here to kind of some of this is going to get ground back in again, but I want to put some in there to kind of fill some of the crack. We got a little bit more applesauce left, so I'm going to put a little bit more in here. So next episode, I'm hoping to sea cast the back of the boat and then we will try to finish off the back of that so it can get all body worked up so we can get it wrapped and the rest of the stuff filled. Along with the front, everything will have to get sanded down, and then we will put filler primer on the top cap of the boat, and then it will go over and get wrapped. And then we can start putting it together. Stay tuned for the next episode, and as always, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell to witness the madness that we call speed, money, and no brakes.
Have you ever spent a day in jail?
Nope.
Me neither.